Alright, so I'm working on my 3D printer here. So here's the mechanism, and here's the part that we have to replace, or kind of replace. So this usually sits in here and feeds the filament through to down here. And when I was changing filament, some got stuck, so I had to pull this out. And this is what the piece looks like now. It broke because it was plastic, and after a little bit of time, wear and tear, it just completely snapped. So what I decided to do was change it with another part. And so what we're going to do is this mechanism we're going to put on top of here. But I bought a new one. So what I'm planning to do is this right here will be like a direct feed. So instead of having to go through this whole tube here, it's just going to go from the top right above this, and hopefully be a better overall feed for the 3D printer. So I'm going to work on this right now, and I'll show you what it looks like after. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we go. Let's see if this does what it's supposed to do. Okay, so far so good. I'm not seeing any filament. That's not good. I'll let it run for a little bit, see what is going on here. Okay, so I wasn't really happy how the new extruder was sitting on top right here. So I went and got a new Teflon line, hooked up to the old one, and now it's printing again. And so far so good.